I gotta show you guys something funny real quick before I forget. Now this instruction manual was buried inside here like this under the fender. The first part of the instructions is how to uncrate the motorcycle. Yeah, be right back. Alright guys, we're going to be assembling this mini bike that just came in from China. Right here. It says classic 105cc mini bike. MM B105. It says loaded with features. Powerful 105cc 4-stroke overhead valve engine, motorcycle style throttle, automatic no shift centrifugal clutch, rear disc brakes, super grip pneumatic tires, welded gusset reinforced steel frame, tough no dent polypropylene fenders, large comfortable seat, spring loaded foot pegs, and a 90-day limited warranty. Online library of maintenance resources at Mega Moto USA. So yeah, that's obviously heavily associated with a USA company, Mega Moto, right there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this box opened and start assembling it, and we'll walk you through parts of the assembly. As oh, just real quick, you can see these are all Chinese imports. There's a small guy right there. I think that's a 50cc. That as well as a 50cc. And what size did you say these were?
125.
These are 125s right here. And he's assembling these now. That one's done, ready for gas. And that one is in the process of getting done. So we're going to go ahead and get this classic 105cc mini bike done. And yeah, stay tuned. Each is assembled loosely with some nuts and bolts here. You can see down here. And we're just going to go ahead and disassemble this thing, and it's not overly tight. I see a bunch of zip ties that are broken there. So I got it out of its box. So we have the fork, the handlebar, cables are all connected. Just want to make sure we didn't twist these around so we didn't lose our orientation on the cables. And we have this here that we have to untie. What I'm doing now is I'm laying all my pieces out. My handlebars there, my fork's kind of just set in place dry. There's my front fender, there's my assembly manual, and I have this last bubble wrap to go through. And it says it's a steering pivot bolt, steering pivot nut, handlebar clamps, handlebar clamp bolts, upper handlebar clamps, lower handlebar clamps, and handlebar clamp nuts. So yeah, there's the pieces we should be looking for, and that's the pieces I'm hoping to find. So far so good. The wrenches they supplied were ample to hold this in place and tighten the bottom nut of the fork. So moving right along, we'll keep you updated as we go. Clothes are on. Everything's feeling pretty good. All right, so yeah, moving on. Need me a front wheel. Where's that front wheel? There it is, right there. By the way, this is a tool I had to get from a toolbox. I gotta show you guys something funny real quick before I forget. Now this instruction manual was buried inside here like this under the fender. The first part of the instructions is how to uncrate the motorcycle. Yeah, be right back. Got it together. Now we're going to be adding some engine oil. Isn't that cute little fucker? And there is no front brake, but they gave me a nice ample large disc brake in the rear. So yeah, we're going to go through some setup procedures before we start it, such as adding engine oil and some fuel, and not tromping on it. We're going to give it a little while to break in and let things seat. And no kick, just a pull like an old lawnmower. So being a 4-stroke and all, and probably going to run really well. So yeah, we'll get you up to date here real soon. Earl, go around on that side, son, and look down to. Takes standard 10 weight 30. Then we got to distribute it to this Chinese baster. Takes 12 ounces. I'm sure this is not 12 ounces. This is probably more like 8 ounces. But we'll check it on the dipstick before we go any further. We don't want to fry this baby before it has an and before we even put gas in it, we'll crank it a couple times.
They still mad.
So.
But it is got to feed adjustment all the plan.
Where's the dipstick?
Right here. Just filling the rest of it up here.
Oh, it's one of those ones that you put in there, screw it back in and take it out?
Uh-huh. This is a typical motorcycle dipstick.
Come over here, Tim.
Hang on. I want to see this. How much more oil we're going to need.
Oral.
How much oil?
How much Earl?
Let's see. Write that down.
Well, you know what?
Oh, you're not even close to full.
No.
We
need myrrh.
Let's go put.
We need myrrh. What we're gonna do now is we haven't put gas in here, but I want to get some oil that I just added up into the cylinder head. So. All right.
It's that one. There's
So yeah. Now next step is to.
Alright, so hold the bike.
Next step is to put some gas in it.
I'm going to hold the bike.
And fire this little puppy up, so stay tuned. Alright, we filled it up with gas, 2 pulls, and started right up. So what we're doing right now is we're going to let it warm up and let things get seated real well inside there. And before we take it out for a drive. One thing you should know though, is it's raining outside, but I don't give 2 shits. I built it, I'm riding it. So we got some rain coming down, but it beats the ladder. And we're gonna take this for a ride in our yard here. So yeah. There's Dougie. There's the brothers, Clayton. All right. Stay tuned. I'm gonna turn it around.
Am I done?
No, yeah, you can stop it right. Come here. No. Come here. So we took the governor out of it. We don't know how good that's going to make it. It's 105cc. It should have some balls. Problem is, the tires on here are made for concrete. And that is a mess over there. Foot pan over there. See, that is a huge mess. And now, we're going to try it again. Open it up. Yeah, so I took it for a ride, and yeah, it runs, but it's a little slow. 1 to 10, I would have to give it a 7.5. Kind of slow for 105cc.
She got her haircut.
So yeah. So yeah, hey guys, thanks for watching my videos.